How to configure charts on Binance Mobile VER. Viewing multiple charts is a great strategy for traders who want to keep an eye on their entire portfolio and market movements in real time, instead of having to constantly switch between charts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and easily view multiple charts on your mobile. Before we dive in, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. As I always mention in my videos, an important thing you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. Now, when opening an account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is to go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you will get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, trading charts are important tools for a trader involved in the cryptocurrency market. But before I teach you how to set up and view these charts, let's take a quick look at what a trading chart is, why it holds such importance for crypto enthusiasts, and review some of the most common types of charts. A chart is a visual representation of an asset's price movement over time, offering traders a clear view of historical price data. This information is invaluable for backtesting strategies and trying out various technical analysis or TA indicators. Common TA tools include moving averages, RSI, Fibonacci retracements, and the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, among others. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most fundamental chart types and the data they offer. The first chart type we'll be taking a look at is the line chart. Line charts represent price movements with a continuous line, and every point of the line is the closing price of a cryptocurrency within a specific time. Traders generally use line charts for identifying support and resistance levels because they don't contain as much noise as other chart types. The clean look, however, is also their disadvantage, as line charts omit crucial details such as the open, high, low, and closing prices, also known as OHLC. A bar chart is another chart type, and it illustrates price action through vertical bars. The part of the bar between the horizontal lines represents the actual change in price, while the end of the vertical lines indicates the maximum and minimum values that the price reached during a specific period. Bar charts provide traders with data like the open, high, low, and closing prices, while the thin bars allow for fitting more information onto a single chart. A disadvantage is the potential for visual distortion because of a single bar containing higher volatility compared to others. Then there are candlestick charts, which are the most widely used type of chart. Candlestick charts represent price movements in the form of candles. The thick part, known as the body, shows the change in price from the time the candle opens to when it closes, while the thin lines above and below the body indicate the highest and lowest prices within that candle's period. In essence, candlestick charts are a version of bar charts that offer more functionality and customization. Due to their widespread use, most TA instruments and patterns work well in the candlestick charts. Now, let's take a look at how to set up multiple charts. Setting up multiple charts is straightforward. Start by opening any chart and selecting More. Then choose Multiple Charts, after which you'll click the Setup icon and click on Add to incorporate new tokens of your choice. Finally, you can adjust your time frame, indicators, and column settings to fit the charts onto your screen size by selecting icons. It's as easy as that. As you can see, it's a simple process. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because there are videos that you don't want to miss on the way.